Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, you know those videos where they say, I'm going to turn this to this, or from this to this. Yeah, those are BS anyway, because that stuff right there was just there, and the whole table's just covered in stuff that was over here. Don't ever believe those. I really do have to clean that stuff up and like put it where it needs to go. So, I'm going to work on that. Alright, I didn't finish out yesterday. It got crazy. We had a bunch of friends over and we had like a friend Christmas. This is the end of today's video, but it's tomorrow. I keep doing this. I don't know why. It's because like I'm just filming and forget. I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Thank you for clicking that bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.